This is the Murray Premises Hotel in St. John's, Newfoundland. This is the scene of the crime. It's a beautiful hotel on the harbor front in St. John's. The room was beautiful. Not for the shy, for sure. If you don't mind having a room with a view from the shower to the bedroom and from the bedroom to the shower and the tub. It was beautiful. Beautiful hand-hewn beams, high ceilings. Just a wonderful place to stay. Harbor Drive is a busy street. This is the parking lot. It's a historic hotel. This is where our car was parked overnight. Today's June 28th. The car was broken into at some point through this door, which seems to be slightly ajar. Missing is DJI Air 2S drone, all of its accessories, controller, and an iPad mini 6. Police have been notified by their website, the Royal Newfoundland Constabulary, and we'll wait and see what happens. They may have footage of the break-in on the hotel's security cameras. I didn't hear from the Royal Newfoundland Constabulary until the 3rd of August, about 6 weeks later. Thanks for watching.